Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about HDFS safe mode. We have name node, then three data nodes. Name node handle all data nodes in a Hadoop cluster, and data node might be replicated to two or more data nodes. Let's say we have two blocks A and B. That is, a client is requesting for write operation of a file, and here I assume that that file is divided into two blocks A and B, and considering a replication factor as 3, that is, each block is copied thrice. Three copies of a same block is copied and stored in three different data nodes. I assumed that a replication 1 is stored in data node 1, then replication 2 into data node 2, then replication 3 in data node 3. Similarly, block B is also replicated three times in three different data nodes as a given in the picture. One or these replication is done, a complete snapshot of all data nodes is taken at regular interval for name node, and we call it as FS image. You can observe here the snapshot of all these information, like data node 1 is having block A and block B. Similarly, data node 2 is having replication copy 2 and 3 of block A and B respectively. All these information screenshot is taken and is used by the name node for the future reference. We call this file as FS image, that is file system image. Considering a scenario that if a cluster is started, the name node read this FS image file to understand what was the position of blocks and their replication in any last point of time. Once the name node reads the FS image file, name node also expects the response from data node regarding the what replicated data they have, so that name node could understand no data is lost since last point of time. In the sense, during the startup, name node will look at the FS image. Same time, it will wait for the response from the data node regarding this information. Suppose any data node fail to send this response, here I assume that data node 1 and data node 2 failed to send the response. In such case, name node cannot come to the conclusion that whether the replicated information of block A and B present in these nodes or not. So the reasons for the name node to be enter into the safe mode is name node does not receive any feedback from data node, and the second reason is minimum number of replication of blocks are not reached. Data node don't have enough memory to store any more data, or missing blocks are greater than a limit, or if any administration activities like maintenance of any data node, in such case also the name node will enter into the safe mode. Next, let us see what was the process, or what are the different tasks performed by the name node during the safe mode. Name node performs two main functions. The first one is the name node will collect or fetch the FS image file from the hard disk, and this FS image file is compared with the edit log file, and these two are clubbed together. The second function is the mapping between blocks and the data node is created by waiting for enough data nodes. Not all data nodes are required to register before HDFS exit from the safe node. Usually, as I said, HDFS or a name node will enter into the safe node because of the maintenance reasons also. Here using the command HDFS DFS admin safe mode, the HDFS may enter into the safe mode. Okay, students, this is about the safe mode of HDF, safe mode of name node in the HDFS cluster. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.